Good morning children. In the last class we have learned how to close the presentation. Today we are going to learn how to open the presentation. To open an existing presentation. Now we are going to learn how to open the presentation. If you want to work on your previously saved presentation, you can open the same file as follow. Select the open option from the file menu. The open dialog box is displayed in the open dialog box. Select your file from the list displayed in the open dialog box. Now I will show you how to open the previous presentation. To open your previous presentation, first click on file menu. When you click on file menu, now you can see open option. Click on open option. When you click on open option, click on and my computer icon over here, then browse. Here when you click on browse, the open dialog box opens. You can see the different kinds of whatever the files you have saved. You can see all the files over here. Now if you want to open any file, click on the file and click open button. Now see here, school annual day event. Select and click open. You can open the previous file. Now you can see children, school annual day event. The file which we have saved and closed, we can open by using open option. Now here, note, you can open the file from the recent presentation. If available, you can also open the presentation by clicking Ctrl O from the keyboard. Now if you want to open the previous presentation, click on the file menu, then click on open. When you click on open option, you can see recent presentations. Here in the recent presentation, whatever the presentations you have created, you can see the presentation with the name. Select the presentation and press left mouse button to open the presentation. Excellent. Yes. In this way, we can open the previous presentations. Now, you can select Ctrl plus O key to open the previous files. By clicking on Ctrl O, you can see recent file option. By selecting this, you can select the file whichever you want, whichever the presentation you want, you can select and you can open the presentation. Now we are going to learn about slideshow. What do you mean by slideshow? We have learned how to create a presentation. Now, would you like to see all your slides one by one in a full monitor screen, in a full screen mode? PowerPoint gives you the option to display all the slides sequentially on full screen. This process is called slideshow. To run the slideshow of your presentation, you can do anything of the following. To select from beginning option from the slideshow menu under the start slideshow group, or press F5 key on the keyboard, or press slide view button on the view toolbar below the slide icon. Your first slide will be appear on the full screen mode. Then press enter key on the keyboard or click left mouse button to bring the next slide on the screen. Continue till the end of the presentation. Now I'll show you how to view the slideshow. Slideshow option is used to view the slides in the full screen mode. Go to slideshow option in the menu bar. Now here when you select slideshow option on the menu bar, you can see the options in the ribbon. Then select from beginning. The mouse button. If you want to go to next slide, press enter key. Enter. In this way you can view a slideshow until you end the slide. You can press left mouse button or enter key on the keyboard to go to the next slide. You can view your slides one after the other sequentially. In this way we can end the slideshow. Otherwise you can go to F5 key on the keyboard. On the keyboard you can see F5. When you press F5 key you can see the slideshow. Press enter. 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 In this way we can view the slideshow. If you want to end the slideshow, click on end slideshow. Okay children, the remaining part will continue in the next class.